Hello and welcome. Thank you for tuning in. It is Wellness Wednesday. I'm so excited. Hello, hello. Okay, it is the last Wednesday of the month, which means it is Wellness Wednesday and a time to give you an update on all the things that we have coming up next month. So September is right around the corner. I can't believe it's on Sunday. We've got September here, and we have a lot of stuff going on at OIC that I want to share with you. So my name is Jonna. I should start with that. Hi, I'm Jonna. I'm a therapist here at OIC, and I'm also our communications lead. So it's my job to make sure all of you are aware of everything we have here, all the services, all the events, groups, classes, all kinds of stuff. Now, I'm not going to touch on everything today because that would be a very long video. Today, I'm going to focus on two main areas. So one is some of our groups that we have, and then the second is some of our updates with our yoga program. Okay, so let's start with those groups. So starting in September, we have a brand new processing group with Ameen. Ameen Wahba is a licensed independent mental health practitioner, and he is so great. I'm super excited for anyone who's going to be able to work with him in this group. So a processing group is like, it's group therapy, right? Which is different than individual therapy in that you get to connect with others, hear their perspectives, get their feedback, have that sense of belonging and support and accountability, which can be so, so helpful. So it is a little different than individual therapy. Another benefit of it, though, is it's a little bit more affordable and accessible to people. It's $40 a session, which compared to individual therapy, pretty affordable, right? You can also use your insurance if you want. Just make sure that you check with your plan to make sure that it's something that they cover. So this group, I should give you the details, is on Mondays starting September 9th, and it will be from 6:30 to 8 o'clock in the evening here at OIC in our yoga room. So this goes September 9th through December 16th. So again, a really lovely amount of time for people to get connected, feel that sense of shared experience and belonging in that group. If you have any questions about this group, please feel free to reach out to Ameen. You can email him, you can find him on our website. You can find a little bit more information about this group on our website as well. If you go to services and click the counseling, therapy, and groups tab, there's a little bit more information there. So yeah, I'm really excited for that group to start. There is a registration deadline. I should mention that too. Registration deadline is September 1st, right around the corner. There's a link to a form to fill out to register for that group, again, on our website. But again, you can call our front desk, email Ameen, reach out to us in whatever way works. You can leave me a message on this video. I'm happy to help you get connected. Okay, so the second group I want to tell you about, this is something that we've had going for a little bit of time, but I want to make sure that everyone's aware of it because again, we've got so much going on here. Not everyone knows everything we do. So this is a monthly fertility support group that happens the first Tuesday of every month. So the next one will be September 3rd, this coming Tuesday. This is run by h.irvin. She's a provisionally licensed mental health practitioner and a lovely therapist. This group goes from 7 to 8:30, so 90 minutes as well. And it's in our community room here at OIC. So again, groups like this are so helpful for anyone who is experiencing fertility issues or challenges or maybe undergoing fertility treatment. It can be such a hard and isolating experience. So being able to connect with others, hear their experiences, have that sense of understanding and belonging and support. Everyone cheers each other on. It's so beautiful. So if you might benefit from this group, or if you know someone who might benefit from this group, again, please reach out. You can email Heather, you can call our front desk, you can leave me a message on here. We would love to get you connected. This is a free support group. You can sign up by emailing Heather. You can also just drop in. So again, that is first Tuesday of the month from 7 to 8:30 here at Omaha Integrative Care. Okay, so I'm going to shift now. Those are the groups I wanted to tell you about. I'm going to shift now to our yoga program and some of the updates we have there. So we do have weekly yoga classes that you are welcome to come to, drop in whenever you want. And we also have a yoga teacher training program. So if you are interested in maybe taking a deeper dive into your yoga practice or perhaps becoming a yoga teacher yourself, this program is so beautiful. I went through it myself and I'm so glad I did. Carole Westerman is the lead of that program and she does such a beautiful job with every aspect of it. So the next yoga teacher training weekend we have coming up is a Yin Yoga certification, and it is the weekend of September 21st and 22nd. So a really really, I'm just so excited. I am excited for everyone who gets to be a part of that. If you want to save a little bit of money on that one, we have an early bird discount that ends September 1st. So again, if you're interested, hop on that so you can save a little bit of money. But that you can register up to it. Again, the dates for that are September 21st, Saturday from 10 to 5, and then Sunday, September 29th, or 22nd, from 10 to 4. Okay, now I want to give you just a couple updates about our weekly yoga classes. We have just a few changes. So our classes are going to run starting in September, Tuesday through Thursday. I'm just going to run through the classes that we have. On Tuesdays at 10:30, we have Slow Flow and Somatic Strength with Carole. It's a really great class to give you some flexibility, but also work on some strength and your posture and things like that. 5:15 on Tuesdays, we have Gentle Yoga with Paula. It's very like gentle, serene, relaxing. Wednesdays, 10:30, Yoga for Wellbeing, also with Carole. And then 5:45 on Wednesdays, Yoga and Sound Bath with Dandy. If you have not experienced yoga and sound bath, you're in for a treat. It is really amazing the way the sounds of the bowls that she uses and the gongs and the chimes just kind of fill your body with relaxation and fill the room with this beautiful music. So check that out if you haven't. It's really, really cool. Thursdays, here's a small change that we have. Steph's Mind Flow class, which has been at 9 o'clock, is now shifting to 9:45. So a little bit more time for those of us who are not early risers. That's me. So 9:45 Mind Flow with Steph. And then 2 o'clock that afternoon, we have Yoga Flow and Sound Bath with Dandy. So again, sound bath, but the flow means it's a little bit more active, a little bit more energizing, right? You don't want to be so totally relaxed in the middle of the afternoon. So that's another nice option to try out that sound bath if you've never done it before with yoga. Okay, so that's our schedule for September. We do have a new class starting in October. I just want to give you a little preview on Tracy, who is one of our medical assistants here and also a lovely yoga teacher, is going to be adding a restorative class Thursday evening. So get ready for that. Okay, those are all the updates I want to give you right now. If you are interested in any of those things that I mentioned, check out our website, call our front desk, leave me a message here on Facebook, email the providers I mentioned. However you want to get in touch with us. We are so happy to be a part of your wellness journey. So thank you and see you next month.